Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for every lawn care enthusiast, the EVEAGE 2026 Dethatcher, a versatile 2-in-1 lawn care tool that promises to simplify your lawn maintenance routine. We've included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The EVEAGE 2026 is an upgraded electric dethatcher and scarifier designed to help you achieve a healthier, more vibrant lawn. This tool combines the functions of dethatching and scarifying, making it an efficient solution for tackling dead grass and promoting better soil health. One of the standout features of this dethatcher is its impressive 16-inch wide rake path. This extra-wide working area allows you to cover more ground in less time, potentially reducing your effort by up to 80% when maintaining medium to large yards. If you're someone who values efficiency, this feature alone can significantly streamline your lawn care routine. Equipped with interchangeable dethatching and scarifying blades, the EVEAGE 2026 caters to your lawn's varying needs. The dethatcher effectively removes thick layers of dead grass and thatch, which can suffocate your lawn and inhibit growth. On the other hand, the scarifier loosens the soil and enhances airflow, promoting healthier root growth. It's like having two machines in one, allowing you to tackle different lawn care tasks without the need for multiple tools. Another impressive aspect of the EVEAGE 2026 is its 5-position depth adjustment feature. This allows you to easily customize the working depth to suit different lawn conditions. Whether you're dealing with a mildly thatched lawn or one that's heavily compacted, you can adjust the dethatcher's depth from -0.32 inches to 0.39 inches. For scarifying, the depth ranges from -0.47 inches to 0.24 inches. This precise control ensures that you're getting optimal results based on your lawn's specific needs. Power is a crucial factor in any lawn care tool, and the EVEAGE 2026 doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a robust 15-amp copper motor that delivers an impressive 3,300 revolutions per minute. This powerful motor provides efficient removal of thatch and debris, while the integrated cooling system ensures longer service life and stable performance. So, you can count on it to handle tough jobs without overheating. Comfort is also a priority in the design of the EVEAGE 2026. It features an adjustable handle height, offering 3 different positions to accommodate various user heights. With a range from 37.4 inches to 42.5 inches, this thoughtful design makes it easier for anyone to operate the machine comfortably, reducing strain during use. So, who is the EVEAGE 2026 suitable for? If you have a medium to large lawn and are serious about maintaining its health and appearance, this tool is an excellent choice. Gardeners, homeowners, and landscapers will find this dethatcher beneficial, especially for those who face challenges with thatch buildup or soil compaction. In practical terms, you can use the EVEAGE 2026 in the spring to prepare your lawn for the growing season by dethatching and scarifying. It's also great for revitalizing your lawn in the fall, allowing it to breathe and soak up nutrients before winter. In summary, the EVEAGE 2026 Dethatcher is a powerful, efficient, and versatile tool that simplifies lawn care while providing excellent results. With its wide rake path, adjustable depths, and 2-in-1 functionality, it's designed to keep your lawn healthy without excessive effort. Thanks for watching. If this video helped